So, got something pretty exciting to share with you today. We got a pig. Well, kind of. We bought half a pig. Obviously it's not alive and it's currently in our freezer. But let me go back to the beginning. We got half a pig from our friends at Duck River Homestead. I will leave a link to their channel down below. They raise some pigs. We can't do that where we're at, so we asked them if we could buy half of one of their pigs. The reason we didn't do a whole pig is freezer space. We weren't sure how much we would eat, how long it would take us. So we're starting with a half. We just got it butchered and we're really excited about it. We've already eaten some of it. It's absolutely delicious. So today I just wanted to share a little bit of that journey. So let's get into it.
Bacon is important. Hazel, is bacon important?
Bacon is important.
I'm Brian and this is Duck River Homestead. Today we are taking our pigs that we've had since October to get processed.
All right, we're in the car and we are headed to Duck River Homestead to pick up our half of a hog. We're excited. Let's see how much meat we get.
Yeah.
Rachel, what are you most excited about getting a half pig?
Ham.
Ham?
Yes.
Yeah, that'll be good. Ham will be good. We're excited. This is one of the cool things about community is we don't have the space right now to raise our own pigs, but our friends do. Someday we hope to have enough of land to grow pigs, raise pigs. But for now, we can support our friends in their endeavor and we can learn a lot in the process. So this whole process has been a learning process for me. I have absolutely loved it, from figuring out how to do a butcher sheet, like cut sheet, to figuring out like how much meat that we will eat as a family, how long it'll take us, how many months. It's all a learning process and it's fun to be able to support our friends and learn at the same time for when we do have our own pigs someday and we kind of have a better idea of what to expect. It's a fun day, a milestone for us for sure. Pig. Those are ribs. We'll cook those up for dinner some night.
This.
Oh, that's the best stuff. What do you think that is?
Bacon.
Yeah.
They already made the bacon, but we only need to cook it. This is bacon.
Let's look at it. That says baby back ribs. Those are some of Rachel's favorite. Those can just go on the bottom of the freezer. Oh, turn around. Let's see the tag. That is jowls. It's kind of like bacon. We're going to try it for the first time.
What's this?
Whoa, dude, that's a big one. That is a Boston butt roast.
That means it's the butt.
That is gonna be.
The butt.
We'll have to have some.
Oh, not a butt.
Those are soup bones to make bone broth. You know how Mommy makes chicken broth? That is pork chops.
Ooh, what are those?
Those we're gonna like fry up in a pan. With some salt and pepper on them.
I'm talking about what part is it for the
What
pig?
part of the pig? I think that's the like loins area.
What's this?
This is seasoning meat. Oh, so what do you think this is? What's your guess?
Meat.
This is sausage for breakfast.
There's so many of these. What's this?
That's another Boston butt roast. Y'all, that is our half a pig. So I'm pretty excited. We got a lot of sausage. We did put a lot of the cuts as ground because as a family we do eat way more sausage than anything else. So I wanted to make sure that was majority of our order. So when I filled out my cut sheet, I made sure that there were certain things I knew that we would just prefer to have as sausage. My plan with that is to cut them into patties and then put parchment paper in between them and freeze them so we can just grab them out and throw them in a skillet for breakfast. So thanks to Brian and Sarah over at Duck River Homestead for taking us along in your journey and allowing us to fill our freezer with meat for the coming months. Hope you enjoyed the little journey today. Till next time. Bye.